Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select navigation of your notes on the Microsoft OneNote application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should go to your home page and click on the profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen, and after that tap on the settings option, which is the last category. Then you should click on the navigation option, which is the last one in the settings section. After that, as you can see, there are two distinct categories: create new pages and page list. So there you can see three functions in a total. The first option is add top of page list, add bottom of page list. So it relates to creating new pages. However, this setting does not apply to the recent notes view. So click on the relevant one that you would like to choose. And in terms of page list, you can turn on this show page previews option by clicking on this button, meaning that show previews of images or drawings in the page list. So that's the description of this last function. So feel free to change these at any time by going to this same section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.